This is a 2011 Honda Accord Cross Tour. This wagon has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.